Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's video. And if you guys have some, balance on your PayPal and you wanted to withdraw it and send it to your debit card, and this video is for you because I will be showing you how to transfer PayPal money to your debit card or to our debit card in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, of course, we need to go to our PayPal and log in your PayPal account. And as you can see, I have here 372 pesos balance. So you just have to click this transfer funds. Okay, click that one. Okay, we just have to wait. And I have here 200 pesos and of course 1.88 US dollar. So I'll be transferring my peso balance here. Just have to click next. As you can see, I have here my bank, my Visa and also my Mastercard, and this one is my debit card. And you just have to, as you can see here, there is a 1% fee here and a minimum of um 500 for withdrawal. Okay, so let's try it, guys. Okay, next, transfer. Okay, it says that there's a problem right now. We're not able to transfer the funds to your bank account because we need to have at least 500 pesos balance on our PayPal account in order for us to transfer our money to our debit card. So I hope, guys, you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.